That is just the most glorious hibiscus. I'm not sure what this looks like with my face partially lit up. But, you know, I gotta have something nice to look at right in the background. Good morning to you. Yeah, pansies. Oh, that's not as many as I'd like to get. And they'll go all winter as long as I keep them watered. It's mid-October now, I think, and again, we're still gonna have a 90-degree day, and we're gonna have another one on Wednesday. Man, I mean, the summer is just not ending down here. But I'm ready for a new color, and it's gotta cool down a little bit for the fall stuff. You know, they're a fall-winter plant, and they need it between, what was I reading today? Somewhere between 45 and 60 is their prime, you know, their prime temperature. And I need to continue working on the bed, not today. And I've got little things. I want to trim the bougainvillea. Sometimes I wish you were just sitting here with me. Let's see. I had strawberries in those. I like that wheelbarrow. It's an old one, and I painted it. I presume that's a painted lady. She's going kind of fast for me to see the tips of her wings. I saw a hummingbird. I told you I saw a hummingbird come through. He or she stopped by the hibiscus, stopped by whatever bougainvillea bracts I had, attracted by the color of the bracts, and kept on going. And I didn't put out any sugar water, basically, hummingbird food. I didn't put any since I got back. I thought they'd moved on, but I've seen a few. Oh goodness, I had to go rescue some drip irrigation issues. Let me get this over here, which means I had to run the drip again. Too much sun. I guess I'll sit up, keep my mouth out of the sun. Drip irrigation issues. One was plugged up, an emitter, I don't know, just stuff, you know. Some stuff hasn't been getting water. It's time to cut down water, like on the grapes. The honeysuckle, anything I've cut down doesn't need as much water, probably does need some. They're still all on the same irrigation. It's almost easier to irrigate when it's straight up 90 degrees every day, all day, you know, because then, you know, give them a lot of water. Make sure they have drainage. But at this point, keeping them wet when they're not really, they were actively growing before I pruned everything back. Just not at the best. Still need to irrigate the marigolds and snapdragons. I'm not pleased with their containers. I don't even think they look good. I don't know what I was thinking. You know, it's kind of like you buy something for your house, you love it, and then just one day you wake up and think, no, that looks just terrible. That is tacky or creepy or stupid. Ideally, all the marigolds should be in beautiful containers. I do love glazed pots. I have plenty of containers. I had it in my head, I wanted to use these containers. They still had the dirt. I was going to reuse them to plant some veggies next year as alternative places. They're containers, and they're just not very pretty. I'm torn about this one. I'm kind of looking over there, questioning. I really do not want to drag soil. I'm done dragging soil. Now maybe come April, I'll be like, please let me drag soil. I need so much soil. I want to drag soil. Because mine is not this light espoma land and sea stuff. Or starting potting soil, the bags I haul feel heavy. Maybe people I see on YouTube are stronger than I am. I don't want to drag any more soil right now. I'm burnt out with dragging soil. So I want to clean out my shed. I've talked to you about that. Some people in Arizona get up early and get going early. I do get up at 5, but I do like to drink coffee and eat my oatmeal, and lately do the New York crossword puzzle. I say do. I've not completed about maybe 40% of them. Cut back the hostas, just little things. I actually need to bring in a steamer and clean these pavers. They have a lot of staining from pots, from the dirt inside the pots, the material. I talk a good game, don't I? I'd rather just buy flowers and set them out. I don't know what I'm going to do today. Absolutely no idea if I'm going to do anything in the garden. I'll let you know. Thanks for joining me for coffee and So you see how far down the soil is now. It's pretty packed, I think. This is where I had a lot of my pansies last year. But I want to show you the difference in the soil. It's, I had a line running through here, and I have an extra one in here because it belonged to a pot that was down here I'm not using. But you see here, I can't even get this probe in. That's how dry that is. That is incredibly dry. And if I want to use this soil, I've got to be conditioning it now. Now that's got a lot of water. Enough. It's because I've still got this going. I didn't want the soil to get too bad, but look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'll have to turn the water back on full blast on this, see if I can't get this water spread around a little bit. I guess I'll just start manually watering it. I really should deadhead these gazanias, shouldn't I? Do you think they need to be? Ow, ow, ow. Nope, nope. I got a sticky. Oh no, I got a... There's an assassin bug. Let me show them to you. Since I got close. Now remember, in my reading, do not mess with these guys. They have a bite. Let's see. Can you see them? Yeah. However, they do eat. They are beneficial, technically. Anyway, they are beneficials. I forget what they eat. Something that must be in here, right? has no growth on it. I didn't realize that. Oh. Huh. I think it's alive. That's old stuff, and honestly, I don't know what nasty things are growing in and crawled in. I'm worried about mice and stuff in my shed. So it's best I not leave a bunch of potting soil sitting around in it, especially from last year. You know, you and I have both opened potting soil that has had white stuff inside, so who wants to see that? I will talk to you tomorrow. I'm gonna haul this thing out front and